Bruce here from Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Panasonic TV if it's using the Google operating system. Now the reason you might do a factory reset is if you've got to a point where you've got a fault with your TV and it just doesn't seem to be resolved by going through the settings. The best practice is to factory reset your TV and start from the beginning. So let's go through the steps. From your home page, scroll across until you get to the settings wheel. Then on the settings cog, go all settings, scroll down until you get to system. Inside system, you've got two options. If you go down to the bottom where it says restart, this will just restart your TV. So if you click on this, it'll just power off and then power restart your TV, which is handy. Otherwise, if you want to do a full factory reset, go to About, into the About menu by pressing right, select Reset, and then Factory Reset. This will reset everything, including all of your apps and account details. So when you factory reset, once you restart it, you will have to re-sign into those apps. Select Factory Reset, OK, and erase everything. And there you go, now your TV is resetting. If you're looking for more information, please check out Panasonic.com or check out some of our other how-to videos on how to set up your TV and more. Thanks for watching, see you next time.